Hello boys and girls, today we'll be focusing on this strategy called two variables change. Let us now solve this ratio question together. First, we will read this line. Okay, and that will give us the before scenario. Do take note that the boys had 3 units and the girls had 5 units. So I'm going to write it down. Before boys 3 units and girls 5 units. Okay, let us move on. 1 boy and 7 girls join the class and the ratio becomes 1:2. Okay, from here we will know that this is the change that took place, and because of this change the new ratio now becomes 1:2. So I'm going to put after here, okay, plus 1 boy plus 7 girls equal to the new ratio. In order to avoid confusion, I'm going to put it as 1 part is to 2 parts. Okay, so this is a new ratio. So what do we have now? We have equation number 1 and equation number 2. Well, in order to use simultaneous equation, we will have to make sure that this particular 1 part is equals to this 2 parts. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply this whole equation by 2. So instead of 1 part, now it will become 2 parts. And because I do that, I have to do it for the rest of the number. So instead of 1, it becomes 2 plus. Instead of 3 units, now it becomes 6 units. And now, instead of 1 boy, it become 2 boys. Okay, so from here, we can see that this is 2 parts and this is 2 parts. We can equate to these 2 equations. So 1 girl is actually equals to 2 boys. Okay, so I'm going to put 5 units plus 7, which is 1 girl, equals to 6 units plus 2, which is 2 boys. Well, boys and girls, do remember that when you shift the different numbers around across the equal sign, there will be a switch of operations. Okay, so if I'm going to move this 5 units to this place, which I'm going to do now, so I have 7 equals to 6 units plus 2, everything remains. Instead of plus 5 units, I'll have to change it to minus 5 units. Okay, so next I'm going to shift this plus 2 to the other side, cross over the equal sign. Okay, so instead of plus 2, now it's 7 minus 2. Everything remains the same, 6 units minus 5 units. Okay, now I can do it now. 7 minus 2 equals to 5. 6 units minus 5 units equals to 1 unit. So now I know 1 unit is equals to 5. Let us now take a closer look at the question and see what is our goal. Our goal is to find out how many boys were there at first. Boys only, and it's at first, which is before scenario. And over here we can see that it is a 3 units. So now we know 3 units is equals to 5 times 3 equals to 15. And the answer will be there were 15 boys at first.